What's good, guys? This is how I made $4,000 day trading the S&P 500. The main draw on liquidity, we already had these London session highs right here and these London lows and Asian session lows. Because price opened so high and close to these London session highs, I was mainly targeting London highs, and then these were CPI news data highs. News data highs similar to session highs almost in terms of like strong draws on liquidity. So those were my draws on liquidity. And unfortunately for us, price action was a little bit choppy. It is what it is, and it actually caused me to get a little stopped out. Market opened, we immediately come up and take out these London session highs and these CPI news data highs, and then following that, we end up making an SMT divergence. So from there, once we made the SMT, this was once the macro had opened, I immediately scaled down to the 1 minute time frame. If we took out highs and we make a 5 minute SMT, I'm willing to scale down. And my first trade, which would have been a banger entry, and this was pretty much what we were looking at for this first trade that ended up getting stopped out. So you're probably saying, how did you get stopped out? I enter off the 1 minute break of structure. I put my stop loss above these highs. We rally down and we actually make equal lows. My first take profit was set at equilibrium right here. And I see us make equal lows and I'm like, oh, this is easy freaking money. Equal lows are a strong draw on liquidity, even on the low time frame. When I see these equal lows get made and I see how deep I am in profit, I'm literally up like, 2R. I'm like, okay, I'm going to de-risk a little bit. I'm not moving my stop loss to break even, but I'm just putting it above these highs. Dumb decision. So this trade, boom, stopped out. My bias remained the same though. So I end up shorting again once we break structure right here. And here I'm able to put my stop loss above these highs. We finally end up taking out these equal lows and hit equilibrium. I'm able to take partial positions here, and then from there, I was able to hit second take profit that put me in profit $4,000 for the day. And then my final take profit was set at these lows down here for a really crazy risk to reward. And I ended up getting stopped out at break even for the remainder of that position.